We're right here in the Shaw neighborhood of Northwest Washington, D.C. Shaw is a historically black community. Shaw gets its name from Colonel Shaw, who was the commander of the 54th Massachusetts United States Colored Troops Regiment of the Civil War. Maybe you remember they made a movie about it named Glory. In the Shaw community, Truth Be Told offers a 2-hour walking tour all around the neighborhood. There's many things to see, people to talk about, things to discuss. The Howard Theater is in the Shaw community. Ben's Chili Bowl is in the Shaw community. The Lincoln Theater is in the Shaw community. The Civil War Museum and Monument is in the Shaw community. The home of Dr. Carter G. Woodson is in the Shaw community. Come on out and take in our 2-hour walking tour. You will not be sorry. Truth be told, history is all around us. And the thing about Black history is you can find it anywhere because our history is everywhere.